Hello, this is going to be a quick tutorial on how to use the Typography Pro Pack in After Effects. Here we have a basic title without any animation. To apply an animation, highlight all of the text that you want to be animated, then navigate to the MotionDuck window. You can click the autoplay button at the bottom left to preview the animations, find one that you like, then click to have it animate in, out, or both. After a short load, it will apply the animation to all of the text that you have highlighted, and then you can preview it. This method works for the character animation, words animation, lines animation, word line anchor point, text mask, style, and typewriter category with the exception of ones that have a box like this. Once you have your animation applied, you can click on the toolbar for an additional set of options. We can shift our in points forward a few times so that the animation staggers in. You can also shift the points backwards or set them all to start at the playhead. If you want, you can navigate to the Effect Controls panel for deeper customization of the animation. This animation, for example, I could adjust the starting position to be closer to the composition so that it animates in more slowly, like this. Each category will utilize these settings in different ways. You can experiment with them to fine-tune the animation. If you decide that you don't want an animation anymore, you can highlight the layers that you want to remove them from, click on the Customizer icon on the extension window, and select Delete All. The next category we'll look at is Effects. Find the effect that you want to use, then click the Apply button. This category is a continuous effect, so we need to add a mid marker by clicking this icon on the toolbar. A duration marker will appear on your title, and you can change the start and duration of it to determine how long that this effect will play for. The next set of categories is Distort, Box Resize, and the typewriter animations that have boxes. All you need to do for these categories is apply the animation that you want. Then, with the toolbar, you manually add an in marker with this button and an out marker with this button. Also, make sure that your layer ends shortly after the out marker. This determines the length of the out animation. The last category is 3D animations, and before you apply anything, go up to Composition, Composition Settings, 3D Renderer, and set it to Cinema 4D for the animations to work properly. Now, just find the 3D animation that you like and click Apply. You can see that these animations have depth to them with their own color, and you can change these colors by going to the Effect Controls panel and then opening the 3D Settings dropdown. All of the controls for the colors will be here. And that should be everything you need to know to get started with using the Typography Pro Pack.